Here's how to set up the Hume Band 2.0 from first charge through pairing, syncing, and configuring key features including blood pressure insights, HRV tracking, and battery optimization in just 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to get your band connected and ready to track your health data correctly. First, charge your Hume Band before using it for the first time. You'll see the charging indicator appear, and a full charge usually takes around 30 minutes. While it charges, install the Hume Health app on your phone if you haven't already. Once the battery is ready, open the app and sign in or create your Hume account. You'll arrive at the onboarding or login screen before continuing. Next, follow the setup prompts if you're a new user. If you've already used the app before, open Me, tap Pair Devices, and choose Pair Device. You'll see the pairing screen searching for nearby Hume bands. Then make sure Bluetooth is turned on and grant any requested Bluetooth, nearby devices, or location permissions if you're using an Android. After that, press and hold the side button on your Hume Band to enter pairing mode, then keep the band close to your phone. When your Hume Band appears on screen, tap it to connect. You'll see a confirmation message along with the current battery percentage once pairing is complete. Now let the first sync finish without closing the app. You'll begin seeing heart rate, HRV, sleep, activity, and other supported health metrics populate your dashboard. Continue wearing the band throughout the day and leave automatic syncing enabled since some advanced insights become more accurate after several days of consistent use. Once the initial setup is complete, review the blood pressure insights section if it's available on your account. Availability may vary depending on your app rollout or region. You can also check the battery percentage and adjust your charging routine. Charging before the battery drops below about 20% helps keep the device ready for daily use. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Me, go to Pair Devices, tap Forget Device, toggle Bluetooth off and back on, restart your phone, verify all required permissions, and pair the band again. If the band never appears during pairing, confirm it is fully charged and held close to your phone before trying again. Once everything is set, the Hume Band 2.0 will appear as a connected device in the Hume Health app, automatically syncing heart rate, HRV, sleep, activity, battery status, and supported health insights to your dashboard. Following these simple steps makes setting up the Hume Band 2.0 quick and easy.